This How to 1 minute will show you how to delete plugins in WordPress from Cpanel. So if you installed a bunch of different plugins in your WordPress and now you want to remove or delete any plugins from your Cpanel, follow these easy steps. Log into your Cpanel and scroll down. Under File section, click on File Manager and open public_HTML. Open WP-content folder and open plugins folder. Now select the plugin that you want to delete. Click on delete. To delete the plugin permanently, check this box, confirm, and that's how we can delete plugin in WordPress from Cpanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.